Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here. Oh, e kala mai ʻōlelo ko ke hoʻolohe pole. Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here for another na Huaʻōlelo Ka Mālama, Hawaiian words of the month. This month being May, or Velo for the Hawaiian lunar calendar. Muho lapu kolona is our theme, coronavirus. The term we have is one that we've put together because there's no term for it right now. Makakiʻi pale, protective mask. The term makakiʻi is a mask, face mask. Pale meaning to protect. Our sentence, ke hele oa I waho, e komo pu me ka makakiʻi pale. When you're going out, be sure to wear a mask. One of the things we need to do to keep our safety. And so from all of us, the Partisan Development Foundation, we wish you a safety and also a fond aloha.